Hi everybody, we're on a new job this morning, and as you can see we've got to put a French door in here. Take this one out, keeping the top arch in, and we're going to put a canopy over this. Now we're going to be doing this while our concrete is curing on our garage base. So we've got a nice weather for it today, and hopefully we'll show you as we go along what we're going to do. We're going to tile it, we've got our lead in around it, and we're just going to make a feature of this room. Then we're going to have all the windows sprayed to match the French doors. Okay, we'll catch you in a minute as we go. Okay, we're putting the soakers in now, and then you can see up the side there. So I'll just take up the ladder and show you. So my groove's up there. We can't step it because it's an arch. Step the lead because of this arch here. So best I can do, holding one hand, our soakers are going to go in. And just to show you. So we've got our soaker in there underneath and on the lath. Like that. There we are, right down to the bottom. That goes on there, and then we put another tile in here. Maybe should have done this first, but I wanted to keep it watertight last night. So that one goes over there, and then we've got another lead which I'm going to fold over now with my beater, and then I'll come back to you. What I'm using is code 3 lead, creating the soakers on the piece of wood here. I'll just do that now, I'll show you. Just the end over. See, it's code 3, it's quite thick. Right, okay, here we go. Put that one over the lath, and then we fix on the tile. Fix on the tile. There we are. And then we do the next one up into there, knock it over there, that's it, nice and flat. And then we've got a half one coming in. There we go. So I can always knock them along to the side or bunch it up. That's it. And tighten them up as we go up. Okay. And then the next one is on again. There we are. Hooks over. And then we get the next tile in, which I'll come back to you in a sec. Right, let me just explain. We've got some cavity tray, I call it, or we use it damp course, and overlapped it and lapped it up the wall a bit here, and then we'll put the soakers, and I'm going to cut a groove for that, and these are all ready. And I put this up here. It is a soffit piece, so the tiles hang over and you can cement them up. Okay, so that's where I'm at with this side. I'll do the same the other side. I've gone galloped ahead there, but there we go. We will get this now ready. Meanwhile, I am just starting to take the door out, and we'll come back to the roof in a short while. What we're doing here now is just moving the old silicone, because the silicone is holding the door fast onto the wall. Even though the screws are removed, you need to cut this silicone through. Just getting the multi-tool on, cutting out the plastics, because that's what holds it as well. We've got to get them cut through, so this is a good little tool for using. Getting off all the old silicone, again using the multi-tool, is a good way of doing that. Having removed the silicone, we have now put in the new French doors. After much hard work, we've got them in, and now we're starting to fix them. Here we're just using gap fill to fill all the gaps and tighten the door up and strengthen it, and then we will bead over and flush up with fresh silicone. Okay, all finished, all done, pointed up, lead work done, and the new door in.